Have you ever doubted that in this vast universe, there may still be countless high-level civilizations? By the end, you will understand everything I have said today. One day in 1950, the great atomic rich man Fermi was discussing aliens with his friends. Suddenly, he said, "They are all there." If there is indeed a large number of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way, why can't we find even the most basic spacecraft or detectors? It seems like a short sentence, but it makes people think deeply. And at that time, the scientific community caused a great stir. This is the famous Fermi Paradox. Fermi believes that there are about 2.5 billion stars in the Milky Way. Even if the probability of intelligent life is very small in the planets around these stars, there should be a considerable number of civilizations in the Milky Way alone. This is also in line with Fermi's idea that the Earth is not special. It is just an ordinary planet with the same laws and phenomena as other planets. However, considering the ability of intelligent life to overcome the scarcity of resources and the tendency to expand to the outside world, any civilization that develops to a certain extent, including humans, is likely to look for new resources and expand their star system. But after so many years of effort, we still haven't found any reliable evidence that intelligent life exists anywhere on Earth or in the observable universe. Theoretically, if the star system is feasible, human civilization can fly to any planet in the Milky Way for any invasion and war, as long as it develops for 1 million years or even less. So, let's think about it. As long as there are civilizations in the Milky Way that have evolved 1 million years earlier than humans, they should have arrived on Earth a long time ago. But the question is, why haven't extraterrestrial civilizations come to Earth until today? Why haven't we humans been colonized? Even if colonization is unrealistic for all extraterrestrial civilizations, large-scale star exploration should always be possible. However, so far, no evidence of exploration has been found. Where is the problem? Is there really no extraterrestrial civilization in the universe? Is man really the only one in the universe? In other words, although the Earth is a living star, it also has all the conditions to satisfy all biological species to maintain life and evolution. However, the fact is, since the formation of the Earth, so far, in this 4.6 billion years and millions of creatures, only one species has successfully evolved and become a high-level intelligent life, that is, man. This shows that under the same conditions, high-level intelligent life does not appear so easily, but requires certain opportunities and coincidences. Speaking of which, the problem seems to be getting more and more complicated. This is also the reason why the Fermi Paradox has attracted widespread attention. In order to solve the problem in the Fermi Paradox, many scientists have tried to find evidence of extraterrestrial civilization from 1962. The present, many exploration projects are still underway, but unfortunately, so far, humans have not yet accepted the true meaning of extraterrestrial signals. In other words, this problem remains unresolved. One day in the future, will the Earth be invaded by extraterrestrial civilization? Will it be colonized by them? We actually have no chance of winning. I am the captain. I have always been there.